So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to tell you about one more free airdrop. From this airdrop everyone can earn up to $100 to $1,000. So I will just share the proof of my friend. So this is a proof of $1,673. So this is very big profit and this is very big airdrop, so you have to watch this video carefully so you can also earn like this. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, then you have to subscribe to my channel. After that you must on this notification bell so you will never miss any update from this channel. So if you don't watch my previous video, then you can watch it. My previous video is working now, and you can also, there are only 2 to 3 days are remaining for ending this airdrop, so you can must watch that video from description link. After that you have to join this telegram channel. I have given the link of this telegram channel in my description, so you have to click on that and you have to join this. So this is very big and very profitable channel, so you can also join this and you will get all the withdraw updates and all the big and limited time airdrops only on my telegram channel. So you have to join this because you will get big profit from this telegram channel also. Now I will give the link of this app on my telegram channel, so you will just get this app link on my telegram channel. After that you can also get it in description. So now you have to click on this link. After that you will get this type of page. Now you have to click on download button. When you download this app, you have to install this app. After that you have to open this app. Now there are two options. First is login and second one is sign up. So you have to click on sign up because you are new user. So now when you click on this, you have to verify that you are not robot. So this is compulsory and you have to solve this captcha. So this is very simple and very short time work. So you have to just select all these images and after that you have to click on this verify button. So after that you will get more images. You have to select this and after that you have to click on verify button. When you click on that, you will get this type of page. Now you have to enter your password, so you have to create your password and again click on that and you have to again enter that password, so you will confirm that. After that you have to click on this next button. Then you will get this 12 words. After that you have to copy that and you have to take screenshot. So this is very important. If you lost these words, you cannot restore it if you uninstall this app. Now after that you have to enter your first name and enter your last name. After that you have to click on next button. Now this is interface and you have done all these tasks. Now you have to click on profile photo and you have to click on this my wallet. After that you can see all these tokens and list. So you will get many tokens you can also earn from this airdrop. So now you can also get many tokens. Now you have to click on mine button. When you click on mine button, you will get this type of page. Now you have to click on button. So this is mining and you will get Sharp X miner. So this is, you can earn KSX token from this mining. So this will also give big profit. So there are many ways to earn free tokens. So this is mining. After that you will also get NFT, but I will talk about this NFT in future videos. So now you have to click on this button. Now you will get this type of page. Now you can see that you will get 2 mini tokens per refer. So you have to click on this share button. When you click on this, you can share it with friends, or I will just give one trick so you can also earn by self refer. So now you will get mini tokens. You can also withdraw this. I will give all these updates on my telegram channel. Now you can, if you want to work on this trick, so you have to install this app. So this is Iceland app. You have to install this. You can create clone of your phone and after that you can easily download. You can also add browser and you have to just do all this process similarly. So you can earn by many referrals and you can also get this type of page. You will get 2 mini tokens for per referral and you can easily withdraw. So I will help you to withdraw. So thank you very much. I will meet in next video. Thank